Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect and log in to your Google account on Sony NW A100 series. So in order to do this, there's actually a few ways we can make it happen, but for me easiest one is to open our Google Play Store like this. Make sure that you're connected to the internet. After that, you should be able to see the sign in button. Click on it. Right here, you need to enter your email address. So I'm gonna do that off screen. So after you've entered your email address and your password, you should see something like this. Now you need to choose who will be using this device. Is it gonna be you or your children? So I'll be using it, so I will be using this device, and then press next. I agree. Here you can choose Google services to be enabled, but actually I'm gonna disable it. After that, click accept, and now you'll be logged in to your Google account. You can use your Google Play Store or any other Google app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.